So you need to create a new list in AWeber. Whether you're just getting started or trying to optimize your email marketing, setting up your list correctly is crucial, but AWeber doesn't always make it as simple as it should be. Stick around because I'll walk you through the process quickly, highlight a few key things AWeber could improve, and at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial to a better alternative if you want more flexibility and automation. First, log into AWeber and head to the Lists section. If you're on the older interface, it might be labeled differently, but just look for the Manage Lists option. Click Create a List to get started. Next, you'll need to fill in some basic details. This includes your company name, website, and email address. Here's something to watch out for. AWeber requires a physical address for compliance with spam laws, which might be an issue if you're running a personal brand. Some competitors offer better privacy options for this. Now comes the list name and description. Keep it simple but specific, because subscribers will see this when they manage their preferences. AWeber doesn't allow duplicate names across accounts, which can be frustrating if you run multiple projects. Then, you'll set up your confirmation email. AWeber pushes double opt-in by default, meaning subscribers have to confirm their email before being added. This is great for engagement, but can lower conversion rates. Some platforms let you turn this off more easily. AWeber buries it in the settings. Once that's done, customize your welcome email. AWeber offers some basic templates, but if you want more advanced automation or design flexibility, you'll hit limitations fast. Other email tools have drag-and-drop builders with more customization options. Finally, hit Save and AMP. Exit, and your list is ready. But here's the catch. AWeber's pricing structure is based on subscribers across all lists, not just unique subscribers. That means if the same person is on two lists, they're counted twice. This can add up quickly, making AWeber more expensive than competitors that don't double charge. So, should you stick with AWeber? If you just need a simple email list tool, it works. But if you want better automation, lower costs, or more advanced features, I've linked an exclusive extended free trial to a much better alternative in the description. I've also included some other great options depending on your goals. Check those out to get the best deal available.